Kaudhi County Machakos ni tend county Machakos okwedo lipode ma landore ni omenda ne otigo marache gedo mag apise manyien mag counties kaka lipot mar jonon buge mag omenda mag sirikal lieko. Jatend migawo mar omenda mar county no Onesmus Kuyo mane otwak kod jofwambo yango ni gedo mar apise go ne oketie budget mar sirikand county ma okalo kendo onge omenda momedie wiye kod sirikal manyien kaka county. Onesmus okoni county dwa tieko gedo mar apise manyien kochopo higa manyien.
This building was conceived, budgeted and awarded in March 2018 and by the former regime, and by the time the new administration came in place, it had been done up to 7th floor. As we speak now, under the leadership of the current governor, Her Excellency Wavinya Deti, she has been able to do 5 more floors. There has never been an issue that has ever come out on the cost as an audit issue. The issue that has always been carried as in successive years has always been about completion, because the Auditor General obviously will be looking for value for money because public funds are already sunk in it. Very soon we are going to have a date with the auditor at the Public Accounts Committee, so some of these things are going to fall off.